Finishing work starts next week, and you still need material quantities for every room, floors, walls, ceilings, the kind of text that usually burns half a day. For this workflow, we will use Claude Sonnet 4.6, fast responses, accurate parameter mapping. Instead of schedules, manual calculations, and Excel cleanup one prompt, tell BIBIM, calculate finished quantities for all rooms, including floor, wall, and ceiling areas. BIBIM asks a couple of clarification questions. After that, click Generate Code, then BIBIM starts creating the automation script. The generated code appears for review. We quickly check it, then click Apply Changes. Done. The log shows the result, and the Excel file is exported automatically. Let's open the Excel file. Everything is grouped by material type with subtotals included. Floor finishes, wall finishes, ceiling finishes, all organized into a 4-tab Takeoff sheet ready for ordering. But now, the contractor only wants LVT tile quantities. No problem. Tell BIBIM, filter all rooms using LVT and apply a 10% waste factor. BIBIM asks one more detailed question. Then, we click Generate Code again. BIBIM generates the updated code automatically. Done. LVT rooms identified, waste factor applied, final order quantity calculated automatically. After reviewing the result, we click Apply Changes. And just like that, BIBIM delivers the final output for BIM model to material order sheet in a single session. Let's try BIBIM.